Neil here from Arclean. We're on site today in the beautiful Mornington Peninsula. I've already cleaned the main roof on this property here, and anyway, this is now going to be the roof. You can see this is what the main roof was like, all this kind of black mould that's been developing over time, which is just natural, especially when you have eucalypts and trees around. Over time, that's just what happens. So we'll show you the results that we can achieve here. Okay, so this is the tiled roof from the roof perspective. You can see it looks, probably this side is the worst. And I'll just show you this. So the equipment we use, as you can see, I have a throttle here, and that throttle I can turn to increase or reduce pressure. And that's really valuable when you're working around pointing. You can really back off the pressure, which means that you can actually clean the pointing without ripping it off. Especially when you see pointing like this here, which is, you know, really delicate. I mean, the customer can always pay for more pointing to be done, but we can actually clean that with as much care as we can, so that means less cost for them to have to spend on pointing their roof. When it comes to results, I'm using hot water on this tile clean to show you here what we can achieve. This is the finished result, so you can see it's looking pretty good, and the customer's happy, so great result there, and I hope you enjoyed the video.